gathered here to protest against the authority because we feel that fair trial has not been done and investigation has not been done. So he's a Goan first of all, and of course he's a priest. And because he was an activist involved in so many things and trying to make the people aware of so many other things which are going on in Goa, we feel that they have not done the thorough investigation. What we want is a thorough investigation so that the doubts which are there in the minds of all the Goans.
Stop the peaceful protest. गोंयकार लोकांचो फादर बिस्मार्काच्या मर्डराचो जो जस्टिस मागता तेजेर जस्टिस दिवच्या शिवाय गोवा पुलीस जस्टिस मागप्या लोकांक भितर उडयता हेजो आमी धिक्कार करता. हेजो आमी दिस इज अ शेम.
This is a peaceful protest to demand justice for Father Bismarck. All we have asked for is a free and fair and thorough investigation into all the events. We have asked for is a free, fair and thorough investigation into all the angles of this case. It appears to us that the Goa police has been trying to finish up this case as soon as possible, and that is not acceptable to us. This is a free and fair and a peaceful protest that we had organized here. This is being made violent by the Goa police, the same people who we are saying are trying to hush up this case.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
गोंयकारांक उलो मारताय पळय आतां बिस्मार्का पासून आमी जस्टीस हांगासर तयार केल्ले आहे. 3:30 हांगा पळयले पुलीस आपले सगळे व्हॅन घेवन म्हणटात 144 सेक्शन लागला म्हणटा आनी 145. तर आमी हांगासर फकत येयल्ले पीसफूल रॅली करपाक. आमी सगळ्यांक गोंयकारांक खबर आसली. हांव म्हणटा आयज आमकां जर तर जनता आयज पुलीस बायक आसा गोंयकारांक राखणदार, जर तर आयज पुलीसूच तशें करता जाल्यार आमचें आनी कितें जावपाचें उरलां. हांव मागता सगळ्या गोंयकारां कडेन तुमच्या लागीं तुमी न्हिदल्यात जाल्यार जाग्याच जायात. कित्याक आयज तर तुमी जागृत जायना जाल्यार आनी केन्नाच कांय जावपाचें ना.